My kitchen is just the heart of the home. It's the center. That's the main reason we moved from what was a great home to this home, was we wanted it to open up into our little sitting room and for our family to be able to just congregate in the same space. And so everything was built around the idea that we could put the perfect dream kitchen in this house, in this space, and we did. Lagomorph Design really knocked it out of the park. The first thing I did when I bought the house was call them and say, okay, we've got a new kitchen to work on. And we just came up with this really cool combination of designs and elements in this kitchen. So it was a long process finding the right material for our countertops. I knew I needed a lot. I knew I needed a very large slab for my island. I wanted to use quartz just for the functionality. I really did want something that looked natural. I wanted something, I guess, with that marble look, but I couldn't get the functionality with marble. I just couldn't. I couldn't go there. I have 3 kids. I cook. I touch my countertops. And so I really set out on a mission to try to find something that was just as beautiful, but high function. Once I decided quartz was the way to go, Hunstone's Montauk really stood out to me. They felt like the most naturally looking patterns. There was no repetition. The entire large slab was well designed from end to end, corner to corner. It was just beautiful. I knew I could use every single inch of the piece. Thomas Granite is the fabricator that I used. Renee, he is just a really nice guy. He tells it like it is, which I wholly appreciate. When I brought the sample to him, he had never actually worked with Hunstone. And I think it was a meeting with him in the space with the cabinets already down, and I put down the big sample of the Montauk and I said, what do you think of this? And he was like, yeah. The master bath is kind of complicated. I have a couple different things going on in there. I have really cool Zalig clay glazed tiles on the wall in a dark color, and then I have like a mosaic marble floor pattern on the floor. And so I needed something to bring it all together. When I brought the sample upstairs and I looked at it in that room, it was perfect for that room as well. So it looks totally different. It's really interesting. It has a whole different vibe up there, but it looks just as beautiful. We really loved the Montauk. It was perfect for us. It did everything we needed to do in our modern farmhouse style kitchen. It looked beautiful in the light, it looked beautiful in the shadows, and it's just perfect.